First, click the Special Function option. Scroll down to select Remote Charge Battery. After entering, we put the key into the slot on the device. Click OK to start. Before testing the leakage current and voltage, we first connect the device to the leakage detection cable. Turn on the device to enter Special Functions. Select Leakage Detection and Voltage Detection function. After entering, select Leakage Detection. Click OK to continue. Then touch the probes at both ends of the leakage detection cable to the key chip to be tested. Then leakage current can be tested. In the device screen, we can see the value display. Also select the Leakage Detection and Voltage Detection function. After entering the interface, select Voltage Detection. Click OK to continue. Then touch the leakage detection cable to the battery. Black probe to negative. Red probe to positive. So you can see the display of test voltage. Finally, let's take a brief look at the IMO models. GMC, ANFD, Toyota, Nissan, etc.